Hello and welcome. In this video, we are filing a French VAT return on the impots.gouv online tax portal.
Before we go into any details, a quick disclaimer to state that this video does not constitute as financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and the information in this video is purely for educational purposes, so please go ahead and do your own research.
The first thing you want to do when you arrive at the portal is to sign into your professional space. And once we are in our dashboard, we're going to be targeting the service called Declarer for TVA. So we want to essentially declare VAT. Now the next page is simply some company information, so we just proceed to the following page, and here you'll see a list of previous periods that have been filed for, as well as on the top of the list you see the period of February 2023, which has a black box with the word declarer inside, which means that the period is open for filing, and it just so happens that that is the period we are filing today. So here we have the main page of the 3310-CA3, so the main VAT return page. And at the very top of the page, the first thing that you can see are these three toggle options. So VAT on imports, VAT on petroleum products, and regularization of domestic consumption taxes. Now, if you toggle any of these options on, you will be presented with transaction-specific boxes for those specific transaction types. So if you've had an import that has landed at the customs border for the period that you want to reclaim VAT for, you simply toggle the VAT on imports toggle on and then enter the value of that shipment that you want to reclaim the VAT for accordingly. For the sake of my company for February 2023, I do not have any VAT to reclaim, so I'm simply going to be quite literally from this moment forward taking box by box the values from the draft return that the Pan-Europe VAT web app has prepared for me and pasting them into the corresponding box. So A1, as you can see there, is the VAT net revenue that is assessed at standard rate. And then B2 is the intra-community acquisitions net sum. F2, intra-community deliveries. And here is the total sum that is assessed for VAT. So this would be a sum of the regular revenue as well as the intra-community acquisitions. Now we're going to scroll down a little bit further on the page. There we have box 17, of which VAT on intra-community acquisitions. So this is the VAT element of the intra-community acquisitions, which we're going to be deducting from the total VAT here in box 20. You can see the total deductible VAT, and then the tax payable is €4. Well, I'm perfectly happy with that. So here at the bottom of the page, you can see we have these three options. I'm going to click continue, click OK on this box here. And then here we're just reviewing the data we've just inputted. Now, if we want, we can just go ahead from here and make the filing. If you do want to modify anything or add any additional information that you've missed out or modify anything you've inputted, you click modify, which will take you back to the page we were at before. And in my case, I do want to add the value of exports outside of the EU. This is box E1. So I exported 22 euros worth of goods for the period. Click OK once again. Happy with that. It's been saved. All of my other data is still there, and I still owe the same amount. This time I'm going to click Valider to proceed forward. And once I click this green box, I am going to be officially making the filing with the tax office. So I'm signing and sending the return. And you can see here that I have a confirmation that the filing has been sent, and I'm printing the receipt of the filing here to PDF. And down below here, I can go to other statements or subscriber area, but I'm going to be simply logging out. So that is how you file a French VAT return on the inputs site.
If you've got value from this video, please do hit the like and subscribe buttons, and any questions you have relating to VAT, go ahead and leave them in the comments section. Alternatively, you can contact us at paneurovat.com. I will leave a link with our contact details in the description of this video. Thank you, and see you in the next one.